What's up, y'all? Hopefully y'all Sunday is going alright today. Long Roof Lifestyle here. Wanted to do a quick little video on a little project that I do around Christmas time. Well, it's not really Christmas time, but it's getting there. We're like, what, a month and a half away from Christmas at this point. It's like November 15th today. So this year has flown by. So, anywho, it's a little something I started doing a few years ago. Actually, a little bit out of focus. Not that much better, but anyway. I started doing this a couple of years ago, and ever since I started it, I've continued on with it every year. I put Christmas lights on my Subaru, the battery operated. Take three AA's. Three AA's. I put them on my grill, and I put them on my roof rails. So let's go see what we got going on now, shall we? And no, I don't do anything with the Volvo. I wouldn't know 100% to do. I wouldn't know 100% what to do aside of putting them on the grill. Which, I mean, that would be fine and dandy and all. But I like to have a little bit more light than that. I think it would be pretty cool to put them up here on the little drain rails or whatever they want to call them. But I decided I wouldn't know how to make it look good, so I just leave it alone primarily. One of these days I might do it, but for now, everything's going to be regulated to the Subaru. Focus, baby. There we go. So let's go see what we got. So this is actually a light setup from Walmart. I paid like $5, $10 for it, if that, to be honest with you. I figured, well, if I can't get anything to work, then it won't be no loss to me, you know. So, sorry about the lighting, y'all. Camera's kind of throwing everything off. Look kind of creepy, actually. But anyway. Excuse me. So anyway, what I did was I cut everything the length, what I thought that it would be. As you can see here, I got one strand. Yep. These right here go to my rails up there. And then I got one strand that I actually have to cut basically every time I install it, unfortunately. That goes to the grill. So today I'm going to be kind of giving you an idea about what it's going to take to do this on a Forester, and how you can also run the same setup on whatever car you've got, as long as you're able to get your wires and everything tucked away real nice, make them look really good and whatnot. So I'm going to cut for a second. I'm going to start running some of this wire, and after that I'll kind of run you through what we'll do. This right here is probably going to take me about 15-20 minutes, so hang tight for me, y'all. So I got one side done. It was a lot more work than I thought. Last year I had issues with it falling and whatnot, coming really loose and just bouncing all around. And this year I decided to do something a little different. So let's take a look at what we got going on. So this is my box, obviously. That's where the batteries and everything are. Let's set the size of focus. There it goes. And I got that running all along here. Got it going in behind here. Yep, right back in there. Got it going behind there. Up through here. All in behind here. And I got it going through there. You can see some of the wiring right there. Goes up behind here. All on that seam right there. Behind the plastic. Same with all that right there. I got it coming around. Got it behind my weather stripping. You can kind of see it a little bit. Maybe not. There you go. There you can see it right there. Kind of, sort of. There you go. There it goes. This right here is going to go to my left side, my driver's side. And I got the other strand right there. So that's the focus. Or not. There it goes. Got it going all along that way. So, this is how I got it done. Just like that. So, let's get to the other side. Give me just a couple of minutes and I'll have that side done. Alrighty, y'all. Here we go again. Check this out. So I got them. They're all on there. I had to do a little bit of adjustment to this side, but they're on. My back's a tad bit looser, but I can fix that. No big deal. I snugged these up a tad bit more. Still kind of bouncy, but they'll work. Woo, listen to that wind. Put it in here, let that wind die down for a second. Hang on. Alright, so the next step, and this one's a tad bit more involved. Now this, right here, is the line. I got to go through the firewall with it, and into the engine bay and up to the front grille. Up here, I run lights from this corner, right here. I'll run them around. I think it's around, down, this way, back up, then down. Yeah, that's it. Then run it down through here, into my opening down here. Makes it look pretty good. So, let me get to that, and after I get everything done, I'll come back and give you a rundown of how I did it. What's up? I got the grill lights ran. Now that good stuff. Let's take a look and see what we got. Put my screen back. There we go. So that is the box, like I've mentioned a million times already, I'm sure. This is the wire that goes up front, and it goes all the way up in there, goes through my firewall. As you can kind of see, I need to draw some of my slack back a little bit, but other than that, it's alright. Ain't gonna go anywhere. Up here, I got it snaked all the way through underneath the brake booster there where that grommet comes through. Got this right here, whatnot. Should be good to go. There are my lights. Got them down there too. Kind of can't see them. There you go. See them a little bit better. Got a zip tie holding them everything in place, making sure they don't come out. These right here ain't going anywhere. Those are pretty well in there. So pretty stoked about that. Alright, well, after all said and done, let's see if everything works like it's supposed to. You really won't be able to see them that well during the day, but we'll take a look at it. Let's see what we got. Got a little bit of light. It's during the daytime, so obviously you can't see them all that well. Check the fronts. Yep, they're working like they're supposed to. Stoked about that. Bottoms working as well. So hopefully this would be a fun little project for somebody, you know. Probably a couple of things I could have done differently, could have done better, but it works. And the way that I got through my firewall with that wire, I took some tape and put it on the end of a long screwdriver I got, a Phillips, and I just pushed it on through with the wire taped to it, and that got right through the firewall easily. So there we go. I will do a updated small video at night with the rest of my lights on, because I got the rest of my lights up. You can't see anything over here obviously, but they're on. I'll show you what I mean. Yeehaw. That one thing barely focused. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I got it on autofocus mode or tracking or whatever, and it's having trouble because I'm moving around so much. I guess I need to keep it in one focus mode and be done with it. I was turning on manual. I had to stop it. Gotta focus everything myself now, though. So anyway, there's that. You know, a lot better. I'll do a little video at night here in a couple hours. What's going on, y'all? Told you I'd make a updated video. My little Christmas setup and whatnot. Got a few things going on here. My little tree right there, I got an LED that was on it, just like the green and red. It was a red one that went out, and then I got a strand of lights over there in the corner that's kind of out, so I got to replace that. Luckily I've got one laying around I can use that with. So anyway, let's take a look at the Subaru as planned. Let's see what we got. Looks like I need to replace the batteries. They are a little dim. Cool. So yep, that's how that works. Also, another thing too, when I was cutting the wires and everything, I was thinking about whether or not, you know, two wires, positive, negative, etc., etc. And I also want to make note that whenever I was putting everything together, no matter which way I wired them up, they ran. Not sure why. I mean, I don't know, you know, I don't know very much at all. I know basically next to nothing about this type of stuff, but yeah, I didn't have to worry about a positive or negative. No matter which way I connected them, they connected up and lit. So yeah, so there's that. So that will conclude this little video of the of my light setup for the Subaru. Hopefully I can help somebody else, you know, get a little creative for the holidays and whatnot. Just a little something fun to do, you know, nothing too extravagant. Step away here. Let's see. Looks good against the rest of the lights. So that'll conclude this video. I appreciate you watching, and stay safe. Take it easy, y'all.